Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we understand our question. The program has to accept the n integers as the input and sort the n integers in ascending order, and then the program must print the maximum difference between the subsequent integers as the output. So first we are going to accept the n integers as the input and sort the n integers in ascending order and print the maximum difference between the subsequent integers. So now we'll take our first test case. So here the total number of integers is 6. So first we have to sort them in ascending order. So it becomes 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So now we'll find the difference between the subsequent integers. So first it will be 1. That is difference between 4 minus 3, and again 1, again 1. So here it is 2 and again 1. So now the maximum difference is 2, that is 8 minus 6 is 2. So this will be our output. So 2 is the maximum difference of the subsequent integer. So now let us implement our program. First we should get the integer n, that is the total number of integers, and then we'll get the n integers as array list. And after getting the n integers, we have to sort them. So array dot sort of, and we have an empty list called as max difference, where we are going to store the difference between the subsequent integers, that is array of index minus array of index minus 1. So this will give the difference for index in range 1 to n. So from 1 to n we'll get the difference of the subsequent integers, and we'll store it in this max difference. And finally we'll print the maximum of the max difference. So this will give our output. So now let us run our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output, that is 2. And now we'll pass our another test case. So here we have got 37 as the output, which is also correct. Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.